Hey everybody, y'all welcome back to the Roadhouse. Happy New Year to y'all. We're looking forward to a good year this year. So what we're gonna do, I got a little Roadhouse New Year's Day cooking for y'all. We're gonna do we got some black eyed peas going. We're gonna do some cabbage in a little while. I'll show y'all how me and Miss Carrie do that. And I got about 12.5 pound whole, not a half a ham bone in right here. And it's pre-cooked, you know how you get them at the store and stuff. We're gonna put that on the Weber indirect and get it heated back up, put a little smoke on it and stuff, and put some glaze on it. I'll get some more of this going along. I'll bring y'all back, show y'all how we do it. Alright, welcome back y'all. We got the Weber lit. We're gonna do indirect on the ham, wait for it to come up to temp. Black eyed peas here, y'all check that out. Y'all see that we'll put the pickled pork seasoning ham in there. 3 bay leaves, Trinity, salt, pepper, garlic, onion, and over here I've got 3, 4 red potatoes about yay big, and we're gonna boil them a little bit. We'll put about a half a cap of our Zatarain's crab ball in here. Just a little bit more. There we go. Just for a little extra kick. And a little salt. We're gonna boil the potatoes first by themselves, then we'll strain them and set them off to the side. Alright. We got our taters done. They sitting off to the side. And we're gonna take, we did some bacon, so we're gonna take some of this bacon grease and we're gonna pour a little bit of that in the bottom of our pan, like that. Oh yeah. Then we're gonna saute some onions I already have cut up. Oh yeah. You gotta love that smell, huh? Can't beat it. Saute these down a little bit. And we're gonna throw our cabbage in here. Alright, we got our onion sauteed down. And now I just quartered my cabbage. Just take and bust it up and drop it in the pot there. Get it all happy. Break it up how you want to, because it's going to cook down. No seasoning or anything yet. So we got that bacon grease and we got the onion and stuff in there. So stir this up a little bit and put the lid on. And it's going to make plenty of liquid once that cabbage cooks down some. Alright. And I got it on low. Right there, like number 2. And let it go. So we'll be back. Alright, welcome back. How you like that? Cabbage getting nice and cooked down. Good stuff. We're gonna put some fresh cracked black pepper in here. Not a whole bunch, just enough to get a little flavor in there. And then we got a little bacon grease in there. Alright, and what I also like to do, I like to put corned beef in mine. I don't have to, but I started doing that. Boy, I tell you what, I sure do like it. There we go. Alright. And just break it up in there, y'all. Let it cook down with that cabbage. Also, we're going to put a little bit of our bacon in here. Nothing wrong with that, guys. that all cooked down and get happy. So, and you remember our potatoes we did? Throw them back in there. So, get that all mixed under. It's good for that. We'll put the lid back on and we're gonna let it simmer down a little more. So. Alright, y'all, ham's coming along. Looking nice. I did put some crosshatch cuts in it. When I put that basin sauce on there, it can get down in there and get happy. She bubbling though, check it out. Yeah, baby. I think we got enough smoke. I've hit it with hickory wood just a couple of times. I think we'll be alright, so we'll come back and check on it a little bit. Alright, y'all, welcome back, man. Let's check this ham. It's been going for a couple of hours, about 350. Oh yeah, she looking good, y'all. Looking good. We're gonna come out glazed it in a little bit. Not bad, folks. It smells good. Alright, let's cover this back up. We'll go in and check on our black-eyed peas and cabbage and see how that's doing, and we'll be back. Alright. I think everything on the inside is done. Let's glaze this a little bit, shall we? And we got some of our Leonard's Carolina barbecue finishing sauce and glaze. It smells good, y'all. Look at that. Alright, we'll let that roll a little bit. We'll come out and check it some temp. I know it's pre-cooked, but we're gonna see. So we'll be back. Alright. The ham is done. I know it's pre-cooked, but I brought it back up to 145 internal. Boy, that glaze looks good on there. It smells good, y'all. We're gonna get this off and get it inside. And we're gonna let it rest a minute, and we're gonna cut up some of this junk and we're gonna eat. So we'll be back. Alright, we got the ham pulled off. We're gonna let it rest while the rice is getting done. Look at that, man. Nice and juicy. Y'all see that? It smells fantastic. I can't wait to slice this up. Alright, so we'll be back in a minute. Alright, let's get this stuff plated up and see what we got happening here. Y'all check this out. Let's cut up a little bit of this ham here. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that juice, man. It smells good, y'all. Oh yeah, that's pretty. I'm digging that, man. I know it's pre-cooked, but it don't hurt to smoke it a little more. Put a little double smoke. Y'all come up here, let's get a little bite. And basted it with the Leonard's Carolina barbecue sauce. Oh, y'all. Now that's good. And a nice hint of the hickory smoke, not too much. Let's get some of this. I'll get one. Let's get us some black-eyed peas and stuff and get that plated up. Boy, that's good. A little bit of rice. Miss Carrie makes some of the best rice, y'all. Some of these black-eyed peas with the pickled pork, we call it down here. Ham, bacon. So we hit that with some bay leaves and stuff. And I like to put a lot of hot sauce on mine. Some of that bacon there. Alright. And let's get a little bit of this cabbage here. Good stuff, y'all. I really dig this stuff, man. We got the potatoes, we got the cabbage. Look there. We got bacon. We got the corned beef in there. Alright, we're gonna do that. We're gonna come on back over here. Look at that. We'll come back over here and slice up some more of this ham, y'all. But anyway, we gotta hit that. Come on, camera boy, keep up. We gotta hit that again, y'all. That's good stuff, man. Oh my goodness. Yes, sir. Lay that there. Alright, gang. We're gonna get out of here. There you go. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get our grub on because we're hungry. We've been smelling this stuff cook all day. Anyway, Happy New Year's, y'all. I hope y'all have a wonderful 2021. Appreciate all y'all. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.